So we are now heading down Namika Pass. We are at the top, spend around 15-20 minutes taking photos. It's not that higher pass, it's only at 2,000 feet. Yeah. I met a few KTM riders there. They were riding from Hubballi in Karnataka. They had gone to Karnataka. From there, they came to Leh and they are returning back to their home. So they came by Srinagar and they are again returning via. They came by Srinagar and they're returning via Srinagar. So so the KTM had some issues. One of the bikes had a suspension failure. So they tried to get it replaced at Leh, but due to lack of parts, couldn't get it done at Leh. So they're heading to Srinagar and hopefully get it done there. So that was their second time to Ladakh. First time they had come by Malian, this time they came by the KTM Adventures. Roads are in very good. These roads. There was a time when these roads were not paved. So we took the road to find the beach. Roads are paved roads. Smooth, very smooth road, easy sailing to Leh. So I think one of my foot brake is coming loose. Need to tighten it. I don't want it to coming out in the right. Can be dangerous. Christopher is leading the way because it's a bad the view is different colors of the mountain. There is pink, there is brown, there is red, there is all the different colors. You are in service of the nation. have something light. So I ended up eating rajma chawal. We are soon going to approach the 40 levels. Good highlights of this ride. We are going big time. It is about 5 kilometers from here. There's the first car. And there's cycle. Performance-wise, bike, KTM 390 Adventure. I don't find any issues. In between, I have to take a fucking kit. Tight flex. Foot pegs are coming loose. Heading down the pass now. Take some photos at Fortiva. Which is the highest point on Srinagar Leh highway. So that means it's higher than Dhodhi now. Okay. So there's a lot of the roads are well done, even the fencing on the sides, which is pretty good. Increases the safety net for the cars and the bikes that go through this, all the vehicles that go through this road. And the roads are so good that you can go fast as well, but again it's not the safest thing to do. If you look at the mountain there, if you come in the morning hours, this whole mountain turns golden color. You see the lines there? That completely turns golden. Unfortunately, we came in the noon hours, afternoon hours, so the sun is on the other side, so we are missing it. But yeah, this is how it looks. So we are at Lama Yuru now. That's the Lama Yuru town, I believe. Yeah, and there's a monastery on top. What they people call moonline of Lama Yuru, the sandy mountain sides. There it is. Sandy mountains. आगे लगा